to this episode of Drones. And today we're going to do things a little bit differently than we've been doing them before, because you guys have asked me to put my slant on things and what my opinion on the drones that are facing off against each other are. So I'll discuss the differences, I'll discuss the similarities, and I'll discuss what I enjoy the most. And we'll see how it goes. Let me know in the comments down below if you prefer this format or if you prefer the old format. Right, let's freaking go. And of course, one of my lights decided to die upon me there. This episode will pit the YMZFPV Lightning 2 against the CarbonFly 80 from AstroRC. Now, there's going to be a few differences and nuances within these, so let's get right to it. First of all, we look at the YMZFPV, and it's a 2S 1.8 inch FPV drone that is super lightweight, coming in at around about 50 grams. The CarbonFly 80 comes in at around about 80-90 grams, so it's considerably heavier. But that said, I don't actually feel that there's a massive amount of difference between them. But if we're looking at what is the most agile and what flies the best, then I would give that win to the YMZ. When it comes to camera quality, we've got these set up in a bit of a different way. With the YMZFPV, we've currently got the brand new Caddx Ascent VTX in there. It was originally delivered to us with analog, but it was really easy, and there's plenty of space on top just to slap and put the board on there. The CarbonFly 80 comes with an analog VTX, and the question, obviously, at this juncture in Drone Wars is which has got the best camera quality? And the answer, as always, is a bit difficult. Because if we were to look at what is purely a better image, then the Caddx Ascent will win. It's digital. So the YMZ is high definition. It has a nicer and clearer picture. However, this is a debate that will rage and rage and rage until the end of time, long after I've passed away and long after this channel has become whatever this channel is going to become by the very nature of whatever happens. The debate that's going to rage and rage and rage is it better to have a better quality image, or is it better to have a lower latency image? Now, officially, Caddx are reporting in the goggles that the latency in this build that I've got is coming in at around about 32 milliseconds. I don't think that's the case. I think it's higher than that. I think that latency meter is wrong. However, and this is the question that you've got to ask yourself now, when you crash, do you want to be able to see the branches and the ground that you've just smashed into? Or do you want a fuzzy screen? For me, I prefer to see things. Does it mean that I'm always going to be able to get out of the way of them if I've got a latency spike? Absolutely not. But the fact that I've seen them ahead of time and know that they're there, I think is more helpful than is with analog. However, analog is also more fun. So take that as you may. I think the Caddx Ascent system is great for Whoop class drones and smaller class drones. And we're going to have a whole review and debate about that later on, but I'd say analog is probably a little bit more fun right now, whereas from a camera quality point of view, Caddx Ascent would win, so the YMZ FPV would win this round. When it comes to aesthetics, these are two drones that look very, very different to each other and to the convention as well. Which one I think is the best is, again, it's a very personal choice, but for me, without any shadow of a doubt, it's the CarbonFly 80. I think it just looks so much better. It's a little bit sci-fi, which appeals to my geekiness, and I just really do like the look of it. When it comes to the camera noise score, the YMZ Lightning 2 is super quiet. It's probably a 1, maybe even a 2 Angry Karen out of 10. The CarbonFly 80 is also really quiet, but is probably more like a 2/3 Angry Karen out of 10. So again, the YMZ Lightning is going to take it, meaning that the CarbonFly's only actually got 1 point up to this point. And I don't think that's a true and fair representation, but if we've got to mark them, we've got to mark them. When it comes to flight time, you're going to get very similar from both of them. There isn't a huge amount of difference, although the YMZ Lightning does come out slightly on top because of the lighter weight and the lighter weight basically. So the YMZ Lightning also takes this round. So in conclusion of this episode of Drone Wars, if we had to look at it from a purely factual basis as to which one I think is better, based upon the categories and how we've marked each category, the YMZ Lightning FPV would take the crown easily. But as always, it's a bit more difficult than that, because I honestly believe that the CarbonFly 80 from AstroRC is a nicer looking, more fun and more enjoyable drone to fly. If you push me as to which one of these I'm going to put in my bag, well, it depends, doesn't it? If I'm flying around people, it has to be one with the prop guards. And if I'm flying not around people and just for fun, it'd be the one without prop guards. If I'm flying a longer distance, legal officer, of course, it would be the analog one. So as always, there is paper thin margins between the two of them, but these are two budget bangers. And if you're looking for something for Christmas to buy, you can't go wrong with either of these. Just bear in mind that the Caddx Ascent system isn't available on the YMZ Lightning as a factory option at this moment in time. So you can't just go and buy this build. You have to be able to build this build. So if you're looking for a present for your husband, for your fiance, for your significant other, and you want to buy them a drone, it would be an analog drone. I think they do it in walk snail as well, but not Ascent. So, you know, it gets a little bit difficult, a little bit complex, a little bit confusing. So if you do need any buying advice, please do just drop a comment in the comment section down below. I'll be more than happy to help you. Which one am I going to give the overall win to? I'm going to say the AstroRC CarbonFly 80. Fight me in the comments down below. I'm ready to defend myself. Until next time, legends, peace out. YouTube and I have had a chat, and we believe that this is the video that you'll like the most, so watch it and let me know if they're right.